Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for membership signups in a fitness club. Suppose your fitness clubs wants to onboard new members, collect their sign-up details and share them membership plans. Doing all of this manually can be very exhausting. So we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process for us and make the onboarding process so much smoother. So if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the chatbot that I have created for membership signups in a fitness club. Before we begin how to create this chatbot, let's first see this chatbot in action. We are going to see a real-time example of how this chatbot actually works. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp. So we are here on my WhatsApp screen. Suppose a user wants to enroll in the membership plan of your fitness club and they type a message saying, I want to enroll in fitness club. And as soon as the user sends this message, they will receive an automated response saying, thanks for reaching out to our fitness club. We are excited to help you kickstart your fitness journey. To begin, we will need to gather your details and your fitness goals. So, shall we begin? So, I'm going to tap on yes, let's begin as I want to enroll in this membership plan. It will respond me with the message saying, let's start with collecting your details. Kindly let us know your name. So here I'm going to type a name, for example, demo user, and it will respond me with great demo user. Now share your email please. So I'm going to share my email @gmail.com. Okay, let's talk about fitness plans now. Select one of the given options. So I'm going to select ranges. Following are ranges of workouts. Which one you would like to join? So I'm going to join Pilates. Would you like to enroll in this service? Yes. You are successfully enrolled. We are glad to have you as part of our fitness journey. So this is how our amazing chatbot works. Now we can begin the procedure of creating this amazing chatbot. This automation was created using Pabbly. So we are going to open a new tab. So here in a new tab, I'm going to enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. I'm going to enter and this will take you to Pabbly's main landing page. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free to create your account. Since I'm already registered, I'll go ahead with sign in. Once logged in, you will see the list of all Pabbly apps. To create a chatbot, we will need to access Pabbly Chatflow. So here I'm going to click on Access Now, and this will take us to Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard. As we navigate on the left side, we will see a list of features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. So we are going to learn about them one by one. First one is Dashboard. It gives us an overview of chatbot activity and stats. Next one is Inbox. It helps in viewing and managing real-time customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores and manages customers' data and details. Team Queues assigns and manages team responses. Templates help us in creating reusable message templates for WhatsApp. Broadcasts sends bulk messages to multiple users. Flows is used to create chat flows, and settings are used to configure preferences, custom fields and integrations. Get Help helps in access support, FAQ and help in documentation. So as we need to create chat flows, we are going to tap on Flows and select Flows. Then to create a new flow, we are going to click on Add Flow. New flow is created. And now you have access to all the features required to create a new chatbot from scratch. We will learn about all these features while creating the chatbot. When we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to name it something relevant. So here I'm going to name it as Fitness Club Enrollment Bot. Now in this flow start box, we have this option to enter keywords. This is used to enter some general keywords to activate the chatbot. For example, hi or hello, etc. Next, we have this regex option. It is used to add some more specific keywords, and to use this, we have to use a specific format, which is /b open bracket. Here you can enter the keyword which will trigger the chatbot. For example, here I am adding enroll. If you want to add multiple keywords, you can segregate them with a vertical bar. Here I'm adding one more keyword, which is fitness. I'm going to close the bracket and close the regex with /p. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Now let's set up the first message that the user will receive once they activate the chatbot. To do this, we will connect the flow start node with a message box or a text button like this. Now we can enter whatever message we want the user to receive. Here I'm adding, thanks for reaching out to our fitness club. We are excited to help you kickstart your fitness journey. To begin, we will need to gather your details and your fitness goals. So, shall we begin? Now I'm going to add 2 responses. Yes, let's begin. And other one, no, maybe later. Yes, let's begin for the users who are willing to enroll, and no, maybe later for users who don't want to enroll right now. Now we will create 2 specific responses based on the user selection. So if they click on no, maybe, we are going to send them a message that says, that's absolutely fine. We are here to enroll you. You can come back whenever you want. Similarly, we are going to create a response for this one as well. And once the user taps on begin, we will start collecting their details. So we have to go to the action button and we have to click on this ask question. We are going to attach both of the nodes, and here I can ask them about their details. For example, let's start with collecting your details. Kindly let us know your name. In contact custom field, I'm going to enter name, and in format, I'm going to enter text. Then we will create another question box, and here I'm going to ask them about their email ID. Great, $name. Now share your email please. Here you can see I've added $ next to name. This will be replaced by the name of the user. So here I'm going to select email for contact custom field, and I'm going to select email as format. Then I'm going to attach both of the nodes again. Once we have collected their details, we can move forward with services and plans. So here I'm asking them, okay, let's talk about fitness plans now. Select one of the given options, and here I'm going to give them 2 options. First one is services and other one is ranges. For services, we are going to create another message box, and we will enter, we offer various services, which one are you interested in knowing about? And then we are going to add the services that we provide in our fitness club. For example, personal training and group training. Similarly, we are going to create response for ranges as well. Here I'm adding, following other ranges of workouts, which one would you like to join? So here I'm going to add gym and yoga. Now we are going to curate responses for services and ranges. So firstly, we will begin with personal training. We are going to give them overview of what personal training is. Here I will enter, the trainer will personally assist you in your own preferred time. Have I cleared your concerns? Do you want to get enrolled in it? And then we will create 2 responses for it. Yes and no. Similarly, for group training, we are going to give them an overview or briefing of what group training is. The trainer will assist you and others in a group of 5 in a fixed timing. Does this clear your doubts? Do you wish to get enrolled in this? Yes or no. Now, if the user wants to get enrolled in the services, we are going to send them a message that they have been successfully enrolled. You are successfully enrolled. We are glad to have you as part of our fitness journey. However, if they select no, maybe there is something more they want to know. So we are going to assist them to contact customer support. Similarly, we are going to clone these messages and attach it with the below yes and no responses. So now we are done with our services query. Now we can move ahead with our ranges. If someone chooses to get enrolled in gym, we are going to once again ask them, would you like to enroll in this service? Similarly for yoga, we are going to ask them if they want to enroll in either of the services. And then again we will provide yes and no responses for whether they want to get enrolled or not. Yes and no. If the user decides to get enrolled in any of the services, then we are going to send them a message that we have successfully enrolled you in this range. Similarly, we are going to do it here. And if they don't want to get enrolled in this, we are going to send them a message that says, that's absolutely fine, we are here to enroll you. You can come back whenever you want. We are going to clone the same message for our both of the no responses. Now our flow is completed. This is how you create WhatsApp chatbot for membership signups in a fitness club. You can follow the same procedure that I have shown in this video to create your own chatbot. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.